Hello, editors! Ever wondered how to create smooth animations and dynamic effects in your videos? Today I'll show you a game-changing tool in CapCut PC Keyframes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned video editor, learning to use keyframes can level up your edits. Let's dive in. So what exactly are keyframes? In video editing, a keyframe marks the start or end of a change in a specific property like position, scale, rotation, or opacity. Think of them as checkpoints that tell your video when and how to transform. CapCut PC makes it super easy to set these up for smooth transitions and effects. Let's get started by adding our first keyframe. First, open CapCut and create a new project by importing your video clips. You'll see your clips laid out on the timeline. Now, click on the video layer you want to animate. Head over to the right panel where you'll find the keyframe icon. It looks like a little diamond next to the properties like scale, position, and rotation. Place the playhead at the starting point where you want to add the effect. All right, let's add our first keyframe. For example, if you want to zoom in on an object, click the diamond icon next to scale. This sets a keyframe at your current position. Then, move the playhead to a later point in the timeline and adjust the scale value. You'll notice CapCut automatically adds a new keyframe. Now when you play it back, you'll see a smooth zoom effect happening right between these two keyframes. Similarly, you can use position keyframes to move elements around the screen. Set a keyframe for the starting position, drag the playhead forward, and adjust the position values. It's that easy. This is perfect for panning effects or making text move dynamically. Let's get a bit more creative. You can also animate other properties like rotation and opacity. Add a keyframe for rotation to create a spinning effect. Just click the diamond icon next to rotation, set the initial value, move the playhead, and adjust the rotation angle. For opacity changes, add a keyframe at 100% opacity. Then later in the timeline, reduce it to 0% for a smooth fade-out effect. This flexibility lets you craft custom animations, making your videos more dynamic and engaging. And there you have it! That's how you use keyframes in CapCut PC to bring your videos to life with stunning animations. Once you're happy with your edits, click on Export. Choose your preferred settings like resolution and frame rate, and save your masterpiece. Don't forget to share it directly to YouTube or TikTok right from CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more editing tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next.